Crude has not shown any signs of retracement yesterday despite trading overbought. We have seen crude settling at around 83.8, 84.8, 84.85 levels. And we have discussed yesterday that these are definitely good support here. It precisely reversed from close to 84.5, 84.8 levels. And on the upside, also the upside appears to be limited where it failed to stay above 85.685.8 levels. At the same time, net gas also stayed flat, but yes, the US markets were closed yesterday. Now today, when the markets open, definitely there will be little volatility. Now, what to expect today from crude and net gas? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, share is a great motivation, inspiration for me. And do subscribe as well in order to keep updated with the live analysis. Also, press the bell icon to get the live notifications for the twice a day update. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start. First oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. Now look, oil on the hourly chart is taking the support from the 20 period. Yes, the price is a little divergent, but now it is trying to take the support here and trying to rise. But still, I will see that yes, it is yielding lower highs, higher lows. This is still consolidation going on, and hence, once you see it staying above 85.8, that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy oil today. At the same time, on the downside, 85, 84.8 is the only level below which I will recommend a sell. Now see, double top levels are done. Possibly from here, this should try to retrace a little. Why? Because see, lot much of divergence is seen. It does not mean that it cannot diverge more. Yes, it can. It can continue to diverge. It can continue to rise. However, there should be little conversion here. But let's see. See, stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD is still bearish here on the hourly charts looking downwards. Yes, this wave, see first wave, second wave, third wave, this wave is done. I will expect it to converge crossover from here. RSI rising. So see, if it converges, then again further bullishness possible. But on the 2 hour charts also you should look at, see, too much of divergence, prices converge a little. Now the moving average is also sitting at around 85, which makes this level as very important at 85, 84.8. Below this, we can expect it to hit 84.4, 83.6 levels. Stochastic comfortable here. MACD is trading with a bearish bias after this long bull run, just trying to retrace a little. RSI certainly was overbought. It is cooled down a bit on the 2 hour charts. Now let's have a look at 3 hour charts. Now on the 3 hour charts as well, after this crossover here, now prices are staying bullish. Yes, there is little divergent, but right now it appears it is not in a mood to converge. However, one must note lower highs, lower lows here, flag formation, and hence once you see it staying below 85.2 itself, possibly below which you can expect further bearishness, but the more bearish momentum can be seen if you see it staying below 84.8. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and see, this crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels. This suggests that there could be at least a little retracement which should pull the prices down. RSI is overbought. Coming to 4 hour chart, and similar observation on the 4 hour charts as well. Higher lows, higher lows, lower highs, consolidation going on. It has to break out, and this breakout, see, double top is done. This was important. Double top is done, lower highs. So possibly from here it could start the other side of the building, taking it towards 84.4, 83.6 level. These levels are very important here, and possibly it should try to achieve this for once. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence. This crossover is very important. See, there is lot much of scope here because this crossover is also coming at a very higher level. So there should be a pullback. Possibly it might try to retrace 84.4, 83.6 levels for once before bouncing back. RSI is overbought. It might try to cool down a bit. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, moving averages started to climb upside. This is a bullish sign and this is looking upwards. What it is trying to do, it is trying to just wait for the moving averages to come up a little and then retest till towards those levels. Like around 82, 80 levels is the stronger support zone. Now look at the daily charts as well. See, 85.8 levels greater resistance, and previous was a swing candle. So Flat top, lower lows. The lows for today somewhere should be at 84.5, 84.6 zone, and below that there would be further more bearishness which can be expected. So what I recommend you, if you see it staying below 84.8, those who want to risk a little can sell at 85.2, but then 84.8 is the only safer entry for you to stay short, below which 84.4 levels, 84.5 levels first target, 83.6 is the next target. Take your positions accordingly, and above 84.5.8 you can buy. Beyond 85.8, see 85.8, 86.2 is something you should watch out. Beyond 86.2 we may see it hitting going close to 86.7 levels, 86.7, 86.8 levels it should try to achieve, and beyond that, see 88 is my next target. If you recall, we have been discussing this since long, that beyond 84 oil might look at 88, 92 levels. Yes, these levels will come, but yes, a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied, so take your positions accordingly. Also, I have a couple of offerings for you before I move to natural gas. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on 11th of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Now, let's have a look at net gas. Net gas on the hourly chart, see it is staying below its critical resistance at 2.76. Now, yesterday we mentioned that 2.78, 2.8 zone, there is a gap and this is a greater resistance. Now, yes, above 2.76, you can initiate a buying entry today, possibly beyond which, at as long as 2.8 is not breached, we should not be treating net gas as bullish for today. Now on the hourly charts, what it is doing, it has taken a base, it has created a support here at 2.72 levels, and hence this is definitely a great support. 2.72, 2.68 zone, great support exists here. You can see this, and this should not be breached because below this there will be little more bearishness. Stochastic is rising, MACD has hit a bottom, it is sitting at base, it should diverge, and once it continues on the upside, possibly more bullishness will be seen. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see a reversal sign, higher lows trying to retrace. I will wait for a breakout beyond 2.76, and see there is a crossover here on the moving averages. This is a bearish sign, but let's wait for it to crossover. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is bearish, it is completed first wave, it has hit a bottom, possibly it may bounce back. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see flat bottom is very important, and now higher high. So yes, this is the zone which I will look forward to, and this is the zone one has to look forward to. A strong support, a strong resistance within this zone. Do not treat this as bullish or bearish as long as net gas stays within this. A stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent, bearish, it should possibly converge a little, and once it starts to converge, bullishness can be expected. See, candle size has started to diminish, so I will possibly expect a crossover here, which may suggest that the bullishness can be seen here. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, see similar observation here. Just wait for it to stay about 2.76, then 7.8, then 8, and then see till 2.82 we have to be watchful, cautious, alert. But as it breaks one or the other resistance, definitely the bullish momentum will increase here. Though the resistance can be stronger, but then as and how it breaks the resistance is here, definitely the momentum is going to increase. At the same time, this is applicable on the downside as well, 2.72. But see this, if you sell at 2.72, look at this here. And this is definitely, see multiple candles getting the support at 2.668. This should not be breached here. Also, if you look at, see this was the bullish channel in which gas was trading. It has breached this channel, and hence I will wait for it to fall back within the zone. Stochastic at bottom here, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. See first wave, second wave. Now candle size have started to diminish. This suggests that it could converge and possibly bring bullishness. RSI is flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now on the daily chart, see first of all the previous two candles, higher lows, higher highs. So yes, above 2.76 we may see a pullback, but you will find it getting resistance at 2.8, 2.82 zone. If it stays above this zone, certainly you can expect that there should be a bounce back. Right now, increasing body size here, and if it breaks below 2.72, that is the time where one can expect 2.68, which is a great support here. So as long as it stays between this zone, that is 2.76 and 2.72, do not take any position. Above 2.76, we have to wait for 2.8, 2.82 levels to be breached in order to confirm the bullishness. On the downside, 2.68, 2.65 is the level it should break in order to confirm the bearishness. Stochastic is dropped, MACD is in green here, RSI is flat. So looking at this, the levels are clear. If you are selling at 2.72, very cautious alert for 2.68 first and then 2.6665 level, the second levels. On the upside, be alert till 2.82. If you're buying at 2.76, it can retrace any point of time, reverse any point of time. So trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session. Thank you.